There's a new look at why social distancing is so important when it comes to preventing the spread of coronavirus.
You may not realize just how far tiny particles can travel in the air when you cough, sneeze, or even talk.
Yep, Carrie Sanders has more on the science behind the 6 feet apart rule.
Scientists at Florida Atlantic University using a lab to visualize what happens when we cough.
Charging.
The engineering professors use a dummy to simulate the cough droplets we all create.
3, 2, 1.
The FAU team uses a laser to follow how far those droplets travel. What you're looking at is a mixture of water and glycerin that creates smoke 10 to 20 microns in size, the same size and weight of the smaller droplets of fluid we expel when we cough. The simulation shows the projection. 3 feet traveled in less than 2 seconds. Within 12 seconds.
That's at 6 feet.
And in 41 seconds.
There we go, 9 feet. And that was a cough, would you say?
That was a heavy cough.
In some tests, we saw the cough travel up to 12 feet.
Okay, this is a slight cough.
The scientists say naturally, a lighter cough doesn't travel as far. In every simulation, we observed what the naked eye cannot see.
I'm standing at the 6 foot mark. We have a heavy cough. Smoke comes, lights out, and there you can see it coming towards me. And boom, within seconds, it's already reached me, and now it's going past me.
So what we are basically simulating here is the fate of the small particles, the small droplets.
And the fate that we saw was some drops with gravity,
yeah,
some is suspended,
in
and the biggest surprise is the ones that rise.
Right.
But we shouldn't be surprised because what's causing it to rise?
What's causing it to rise is the thermal currents.
Those microthermal currents are all around us as you stand in your house, sit in your car, or shop in a grocery store.
If I'm in a grocery store and somebody coughs, do I turn around and run the other direction?
Don't run the other direction, but my suggestion is avoid that area for a few minutes.
Because it's lingering in the air.
It could be lingering in the air.
Increasingly, masks are commonplace. Remember, the use of a mask is to protect other people, not you. It doesn't stop at 100%, but you can see how it dissipates a cough. Dr. Donald Milton at the University of Maryland.
I'm not sure I understood the distance that a simple light cough could travel.
Well, this is one of the reasons why there was a recommendation for surgical masks, because the surgical masks are going to slow down that jet and prevent it from traveling as far.
If I see somebody not wearing a mask, what should I conclude?
They're irresponsible.
So why should we care about all this? Doctors say when you cough, the coronavirus attaches itself to a droplet that comes out of your mouth and hitches a ride through the air.
So if you breathe in an infected droplet, you can get the coronavirus. And if you're wondering, that test was done in a lab in conditions much like you would find in an empty grocery store.
Right outside, on a sidewalk, maybe in your front yard. It's much different because even a gentle breeze can move those tiny, tiny particles huge distances.
Definitely makes you think.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow.